Ever wanted to ask your Snapchat friend something fun or mysterious? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to add a question on Snapchat to get awesome replies. Let's go. First, open Snapchat and tap the camera screen. Take a snap or choose one from your gallery. This will be your background for the question. Now let's add some text. Tap the sticker icon on the right side and search for question in the sticker search bar. Use a different question box style. Pick the one you like. Type your question like what's your favorite movie and place it anywhere on a snap. Done. Now just tap send to and post it to your story. Your friends can now reply directly to your question and you will see their responses in your chats. Easy, right? And that's how you add a question on Snapchat. What's the best question you have ever asked? Drop it in the comment, like and subscribe for more text tips.